Transform your Substack articles from static text to dynamic audio experiences with this quick tutorial to bring your words to life. First, navigate to your Substack publication and click New Post to start crafting your article once you've written your introduction or reached the point where you want to embed your audio. You'll need to prepare your audio file. This could be a podcast episode, a reading of your article, or any spoken word content you wish to share. Make sure your audio is uploaded and hosted on a platform like SoundCloud, Anchor.fm, or even YouTube with the audio as a public video. Now, within your Substack editor, look for the plus symbol or the block inserter icon. Click this to reveal the various content blocks you can add to your post. You'll want to find the option for Embed or Audio. Select the Embed option. A prompt will appear asking you to paste a URL. This is where you'll paste the direct link to your hosted audio file. For example, if your audio is on SoundCloud, copy the shareable link of your track. If it's on YouTube, use the video's URL. Paste that URL into the embed field and press enter or click away. Substack will automatically fetch and embed the audio player directly into your article. You'll see a preview of the player in your editor almost instantly. This makes it seamless for your readers to listen without leaving your newsletter. Once your audio is embedded, you can continue writing your accompanying text, adding images, or other content to flesh out your article. When you're ready, hit publish. Your readers will now have a rich, multisensory experience. Able to listen to your content directly within your newsletter, it's an incredible way to boost engagement and reach a wider audience. Bring your words to life and enhance your readers' experience by adding engaging audio content to your Substack today.